Coming up, I'm going to be talking you through these really fun and easy St. Patrick's Day treats, so keep watching to find out how I made them. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel all about Aoife. I'm Aoife and today I'm going to be talking you through these really easy, cute and fun St. Patrick's Day treats. If you're having a St. Patrick's Day party this year, then these are going to be perfect. You can whip them up really easily. I just have one recipe in one big bowl and I was able to make these gorgeous little ombre cakes, and then with the cake offcuts I made these lovely little cake balls that I've dipped in some white chocolate and coloured some white chocolate green as well, of course, for the St. Patrick's Day effect. And I just think they're really cute and they were so easy to make. So let's get started on these easy treats. Okay, so first up I'm going to make my beautiful little St. Patrick's Day ombre cake. It has the 3 different colour greens. I'm going to show you how to divide a tray up using some aluminum foil, just so you can get the 3 different colour greens. They're going to bake evenly for about 5 minutes in the oven until they're nice and done. You can insert a skewer and make sure it comes out nice and clean and you know the cake is done. They're going to go into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius, and then when they're cooled I can add my cream and my apricot jam and layer them up to create these gorgeous little cakes. So let's get started on that. Okay, so next up for my St. Patrick's Day party, I'm going to show you how to make these gorgeous little cake bites. And these are of course made from the offcuts of this cake. So when I used my little circle to cut the little rings out, I was left with some cake. I'm just going to mix it all up in the bowl with some Nutella, make it into little balls, chill it, and then dip it in some chocolate to create these gorgeous little chocolate balls, perfect for your St. Patrick's Day party. So let's get started on them. easy St. Patrick's Day goodies. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this baking tutorial. If you have, please do let me know. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give me a big thumbs up. Comment below, and of course let me know if you'll be celebrating St. Patrick's Day this year, where you're going to be celebrating, and if you like this video, please do let me know if you're going to try out these treats for your St. Patrick's Day party. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. I hope you have a great St. Patrick's Day wherever you are in the world. Bye bye.